So this is Donna Eden's work, Connecting Heaven and Earth. And this is much different of an experience if you do it outside, especially first thing in the morning when the grass still has that wet dew on it. And what you do, you stand with a good stance with your feet fairly, shoulder distance apart. Take your hands and have them lay or lie on top of your thighs. You take a deep breath in, and as you take it in, bring your arms up and around to the top, and then bring down in prayer position, exhaling. Now, as you inhale, we're going to have one arm go up and the other arm go down. And when you face your hand, look at the up into the universe. Inhale and exhale back to prayer position. Inhale again. Next arm goes up and the other one goes down. And really stretch both arms away from each other. I'm going to do it 2 more times. Exhaling, looking at your hand and stretching as much as you can, keeping the hands flat. Going together, prayer position again, and 1 more time. Exhaling and looking up to the universe. The hand goes down to Mother Earth. Bring your hands together, fall forward. Inhale and exhale twice. And as we come up, slowly go vertebrae by vertebrae. Rolling your body till you get to your neck and face forward. That feels great when you go outside. So do that as many times as you want. It really kind of stretches the torso. It moves any stale energy that you have in the body. It also makes some space for some fresh energy to come in. And it also helps activate the spleen meridian flow. So that's always good to do. That helps with metabolism. So we'll see you later.